Hey, Jimmy, thanks for coming in on such late notice.
Hey, for you, the woman I should have married, anything. I'd do anything.
Well, we've just got a simple project today. It's just a kids' TV show. We're going to need you to do a little bit of that VO magic on.
Hey, no problem. That sounds great to me. Why don't I just hop in the booth here?
All right. Let's bang these out and get you back home to your mediocre wife, okay?
Sure thing.
All right. First up, we've got a scary monster. Can you give us a roar?
Oh, okay, sounds fun.
That was perfect. All right, moving on. We've got the sound of thunder, big thunderstorm. Ready? That was great. All right, now the sound of a butterfly landing softly on a flower on the first day of spring. Perfect. Now this one's easy. We just need a little bit of gleeful laughter from Mr. Turtle.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but what the fuck was that? I said give me gleeful laughter from a turtle and you just screamed into the microphone. What's the deal?
I'm sorry, I was distracted. My head wasn't... Let me try that again.
Perfect. That's what I was looking for. All right, now we're going to record the sound of you having an orgasm as you masturbate in the garage while the wife you left me for is inside sleeping in her iron lung.
I know this one.
That's what that sounds like.
Yeah.
All right, now it's going to be 10 seconds of silent room tone. Okay, everybody be quiet. I'm going to count it off. All right, you went a little long, but that's
sorry.
a wrap.
Okay.
You've reached Charlie.